Hello everyone, welcome to my channel at Social Meta. So this is gonna be my first video. In this video I'm going to show you how can you find out your Instagram ad account. So for many people, like, they don't really know when they boost their reel, run their ads, so how can they find their Instagram ad account? Because when they go to the support, like for any kind of issue they have, they need some kind of support from the Instagram team, or they go to Meta support people, so they ask their ad account number. So they don't know, they would like, I don't know my ad account number. So I'm gonna show you here in this video. All right, so as well as on the phone, because most people use the phone, and mostly on desktop as well. So basically it's same, but I'm gonna show you right now. As you can see on my screen, I have Instagram logged in. So go to Instagram, and left side you see those options here. It's a dashboard. Just go to dashboard. It's very easy, trust me. Go to dashboard, and from here you can see add tools and insights. All right, you'll see like two options here. In the insights you can see all account details, like total number of views and all the interaction and everything. Okay, so analytics basically you can see in the insights. And when you go to add tools, you will see two options here, like insights and add tools. So go to add tools, and over there you will see billing and payment option. Okay, so and add funds. So you can add funds directly from here, but to be very honest, when you add funds from here, if you are an Apple user, so you are end up paying more fees. So we'll talk about later how you can, like, save your fees from here by adding more funds in your account. So let's go to the how can we find our ad account number. So here's an option, billing and payment. Just click on it and it will redirect you to another window that will take some time to open, depends on your internet. So let's let it load and we will see. Ta-da! Okay, we have a new window that's basically like Meta Business Suite that we call it. And over here you can see your ad account number. All right, this is your Instagram ad account number. So if you have any problem, any issues, whenever like someone asks your account number, so this is your Instagram ad account number. All right, also when you boost any ads from here, like from your reels or post, when you do it directly from the Instagram, so, and in case you delete the post or anything, or you do not see any ads here running in Instagram, because many people face this issue, like when they run ads and they don't even know their ads are keep on running, they don't even know what's going on, and they add the funds and they're like funds are like gone. Okay, and because what actually happens in the background is their funds are getting used for the ads, okay, which have been running, and they don't really see it here. So for that, you have to go to billing and payment option to check your ad account number to confirm it. All right, from here, once you are here, okay, just make sure you have only one account, because I have two accounts. So basically because I have created one account previously, so that's why I have to, but by default you'll have only one account here. It's gonna be this. All right, and you can see this IG Boost. This is like my business portfolio account. It's basically like by default when you have Instagram and you open it in your in business portfolio in your Meta Business Suite, so it will create a new, like, by default business portfolio. Okay, and you can also like rename it, and I'll show that's like the rest of the thing. I'll make another video on it. So what you can do, you can go to accounts. All right, you see accounts, you click on account, you see your all the accounts, add accounts here. Payment methods, you can see it here. Payment activity, so you can see it here. Okay, so whatever like you from here you won't get to know. Okay, you will only know like where your ads are spending, but still, like, to find out what exactly the ad is, like where your ads are spending, where your money is going, to get the exact location or to trace it for the like post where it's spending and to turn off, you'll have to go here. Okay, so first you go here, you see everything, ad account and everything, payment method, your ad account. So just go in the ad account. Let's say this is the default one. All right, so you can go here, let it load, it'll load a bit. All right, ask you, or what you can do is you can go here, manage account. All right, so just click on three dots here and go to manage accounts. It'll open a new window and you can see a whole new window over here, and there will be like ad accounts. You will see the same thing. All right, do not worry, like you see a lot of options here. Don't get like, don't get like misled by all these options. You only need the ad account. Okay, this option, and you will see your ad account by default one. You won't see any other, because if you haven't connected your Instagram to your Facebook, then it's gonna be like this. But if it's like already connected with the Facebook, let me know in the comments. I will go step by step and explain it to you. So, and don't ask me like how I know it. I just know it because I have worked. So you can see here your ad account number. You can just tap here on this option, open in ads manager. So what it's gonna do is you are still in business, Meta Business Suite. So you can click, once you click on it, it's gonna give you another window. Too many windows, I know, but yes, it's the process. So there is like it'll show you like if you have an ad blocker or whatever, for whatever reasons. So it'll show you like a little warning: Meta tool minor work as expected, as ad blocker is enabled in the web browser. So I have to, like, I'm using a browser that by default uses the ad blocker, so I have to like turn it off in case I want to use this tool. So what exactly happens is now, so once you're in the ads manager, you can see all your campaigns running here, all right, one by one. And you can also see the post, which post is running, like, consuming your like money. So by clicking like one by one. So just make sure you never delete any campaign, because if one of your campaign is going too well, so you just might want to like turn it off. Do not delete it, because I'll explain it to you in all the videos. Okay, why it happens, like why is it important, and why you shouldn't do it. So you can find all the campaigns here, and then you can just turn it off from here, and you can see it's your ad account ID. All the ads are keep running here. All right, so I hope this video is like helpful for you guys. So let me know in the comments like for which option, for which category you want the video on. I'm basically an expert in the marketing section, especially for Instagram and the Facebook. So whatever you give it to me, like you do not understand about Instagram option by option, what is it for and why is it used, and you guys are like facing any kind of issues using any kind of tools, so let me know in the comments. I will try to make a new video and try to help you. All right, so thank you so much guys, have a good day, bye bye, see you in the next video.